Have you ever wondered where in the world you actually belong? Like, is there a city that just gets you? That feels like home, even if you've never set foot there. So, here's my confession. I'm obsessed with finding my ideal places. Not just for a vacation, places where my energy, my passions, and yes, my wallet all line up. And honestly, no travel site or guidebook could ever answer that for me. That's when I found astrocartography. It's this wild concept that maps out the best places for you, based on your birth chart and planetary lines. Yeah, it sounds out there. But I was curious. So I grabbed my astrocartography report from Astroline, plugged it into ChatGPT, and started connecting the dots. And guess what? The results were almost spooky. My current home, Colorado Springs, showed up as my #1 destiny spot. Sun lines, moon lines. I'd moved here years ago, purely on instinct. Talk about cosmic alignment. But here's the fun part. I didn't stop at the stars. I wanted real, practical answers. So I mapped out 5 top cities from my astrocartography and broke down every detail. Flights from Denver, where I'd sleep, how much local transit would cost, must-see spots, data plans, all color-coded on a world map with exact budgets. So where should you go? Let me share my top 5 discoveries. Colorado Springs. My base, true belonging, all heart. Sydney, Australia. Jupiter lines, Venus lines, which means joy, abundance, creativity. Plus, who doesn't love koalas? Vancouver, Canada. Total freedom vibes, perfect if you're craving inspiration and a fresh start. Brisbane, playful sun energy and social expansion. And Jerusalem, deep, spiritual roots, legacy, and transformation. Here's what I learned. Your dream destination isn't just about cheap flights or pretty beaches, it's about finding places where your energy, purpose, and budget connect. If you want to try it yourself, grab your astrocartography map at sub.astroline.today, run it through ChatGPT, and start building your personal travel blueprint. So, where in the world are you meant to shine? Let your stars and your spreadsheet be your guide.